today's video, I'll show you how to forward an email in Zoho Mail quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a refresher, these simple steps will have you forwarding messages in no time. First, log into your Zoho Mail account by navigating to mailzoho.com and entering your email address and password. Once you're in, head to your inbox and locate the email you want to forward. Click to open it. Next, look for the forward button, usually found at the bottom of the email near reply and reply all, or sometimes at the top right corner of the email window. Click it to open a new compose window. In the compose window, enter the recipient's email address carefully to ensure it reaches the right person. You can also add a personal message or context to help the recipient understand the email better. Once everything looks good, click send and your email will be forwarded successfully. And that's it. Forwarding emails in Zoho Mail is simple, and with a little practice, it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!